introducing you all a very new thing in Facebook. You can see there's a new option. The idea of making this video, the motive of this motive of making this video is I'm gonna show you the new feature, they are changing every possible thing in Facebook. You can see, so this is in front of you. This video got 6 views, you can see, and the new option is just above it. You can see here people have watched this video for a total of 1 minute. So this video is of 1.29 duration, and total minutes that have been watched by people, half. Some may skipped it in half minute, some might watch it the full, and total minutes, the total time they spend watching this video is 1 minute. You can see in front of you, this is the page of my next level videos without a username, and this is the new feature, this is a new thing on Facebook. You can see, so they are making every possible step to make things better and much more efficient in a Facebook pages or profiles or everything. And this is a page of mine, next level videos, you can see in front of you. And yeah, I have discussed about the new feature and hope you get something. Hope this video get hope you get something out of this video. Sorry, I'm mumbling words. I got a throat infection, and I will see you soon with another video. Till then, it's goodbye from my side. And you can also watch more videos, more knowledge videos on this very channel of mine. It has everything related to sports, related to events, related to Bollywood, Hollywood, Lollywood, and all the media stuff, and cricket. So hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. Take care.